Welcome back to Alti's channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to link your Instagram to your Facebook account. So let's dive into our Facebook. Can you go to your Facebook account here? And this is it. Click on the 03 menu button, the three line, and you click on settings and privacy. Click on your settings and click on your personal details here. And here, click on connected experience. And this is it. Now add account automatically is going to link you to your Instagram. And this is my Instagram right now. So what you need to do is put in your Instagram. Okay, this is my Instagram details. Use it. And this is it. I click on login. So you must make sure you remember all your information to save info to your Instagram profile in order to connect it to your Facebook. So confirm account, and this is it. I have linked my history. Just click on continue and finish adding your account. Yes, add Suleiman Ali. Just click on yes now. You can see I'm adding, I'm connecting, and I'm linking my Instagram to my Facebook, and I have automatically linked my Instagram successfully to my Facebook. You can see. This is it. I've linked it. If you click on add accounts now, you can see, let's go back here now. You're going to see my Instagram here now. You can see this is it. You can see anything I post on my Instagram will be reflected on my Facebook, and anything I post on my Facebook will be reflected on my Instagram. So guys, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to click the like button, share and comment.